Well, joining us now to discuss the impact of the announcement is attorney Silva Megerditchian. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So I have to ask you, what is your opinion on this? Do you feel like Jackie Lacey's announcement is a political move, or is she really trying to help the laws for drug reform here?
I think it's a little bit of both, honestly. Look, it is true. It's right before a major election, and the other candidates have been using this against her. So is it politically motivated? I would say, in my opinion, likely. However, at this point, as a defense attorney, who cares? This is something that needed to happen. People have to get their convictions cleared because it affects all aspects of their life. So whether it's between a politically or something she truly believes in, we have it now. And full force, we should be enforcing this.
We're hearing, obviously, 66,000 cases
Yes.
to be dismissed. Is that enough to make a dent in the issue we've seen?
I think it's important. 66,000 is a lot of people. It's affecting immigration, it's affecting their livelihoods, family court status, and employment status. For those 66,000 people, it's absolutely important and absolutely makes a dent. And within those 66,000, there's a disproportionate amount of African Americans and Latinos who have faced these convictions. 45% of these convictions are from Latinos. 32% are African American, 20% are white. For those people, this is huge, and it's a substantial issue that's finally getting addressed.
Let's talk about who is going to be eligible for these cases that will be dismissed.
Absolutely. Anyone above the age of 50, anyone under the age of 21, anybody who hasn't had a conviction within the last 10 years, and anyone who successfully completed their terms of probation for any misdemeanor or felony conviction relating to marijuana. All of these people will get, honestly, their lives back. I tell my clients all the time, get your cases expunged. It's a process and it can be expensive. This is a fast track to a clean record. It's a wonderful time now, and it's finally happening.
And for attorneys for a long time, getting those cases expunged took a lot of work, as opposed to now, it's a straight decision.
Absolutely. Once someone is in the court system, they don't want to go back. And the expungement, it was a little bit sloppy. You had to pay for the expungement, you had to have an attorney for the expungement paperwork, and sometimes we had to argue in court. The last thing a client wants to do when they're trying to change their life is go back to this place that gave them so much stress, anxiety. And a lot of people think people with convictions are bad people. They're not. They made a mistake, and 99% of the time they move forward and they never recommit. People like that deserve a chance to have their lives back and their reputations back. So bravo.
And really quick, what will the process look like for these cases?
That yet is to be determined. Okay. I'm also looking into that as a defense attorney as well. It looks like it's a fast track. Jackie Lacey is working with Code for America Partnership. They have a way that they're able to scan these 60,000 some odd cases and give immediate relief. So let's see how that works out. We're still waiting to see how quick this will be, but it looks like they're taking away paperwork and they're taking away the need for attorneys. And this is a wonderful way, and I encourage everyone, regardless of what your conviction is, please work on expungement. You will get your life back.
Thank you so much for all your information.
Thank you,
I know
Leslie.
there's still a lot of questions, and we have to wait to see how things will work out for some people, but thank you for coming by.
Thank you for having me. It's an honor.
Okay,
thank you so
thanks.
much.